Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your computer is not waking up from sleep on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. Now the first step is to allow your keyboard and mouse to wake up your PC. Now for this, open device manager. So make a right click on the start menu and then click on device manager to open device manager. Now expand keyboards. Now once you expand keyboard, over here you will find HID keyboard. HID compliant keyboard, which is not there in my case. So if you find HID compliant keyboard over here, make a right click, then click on properties. Now over here, you will see power management tab. Now I'll show you with mouse. So you also have to expand this mice and other pointing devices and then make a right click on HID compliant mouse. So here you can see HID compliant mouse. So here also you will find HID compliant keyboard. So make a right click and then select properties and then go to power management tab and then put a check on the box which says allow this device to wake the computer. So make sure this is checked and then click on OK. Now do the same thing with HID compliant mouse and HID compliant keyboard. So just make a right click, then select properties, go to power management, and then put a check on the box over here, and then click on OK, and then restart your computer. And that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now, still it's not waking up. In that case, allow computer to sleep in multimedia settings. For this, type in control panel in Windows search box, and then click on control panel. Now go to system and security and then click on power options. Now click on change plan settings, then click on change advanced power settings. Now scroll down and over here you can see multimedia settings. Click on this plus sign to expand it. Now here you can see the option which says when sharing media. Click on the plus sign once again and then you have to go ahead and select the option which says allow the computer to sleep. So make sure allow the computer to sleep is selected over here and then click on apply, click on OK and then restart your computer and then check. Now the next step is to restore power options to default. For this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description, so copy it. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and then paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Now once this is done, restart your computer. Now the next step is to run Power Troubleshooter. For this, copy this command and then type in run in Windows search box and then open this run app and then paste this command. This command is provided in the video description. Paste it, then click on OK. Over here you can see power option. So run this troubleshooter. So click on next and let the troubleshoot complete. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then check. Now the next step is to enable sleep in power options. So again, open control panel, then system and security, then click on power options and then click on change plan settings and go to change advanced power settings and then expand sleep and sleep after and then make sure you have some time selected over here. So make sure this is not set to never. So select the time which you want and then click on apply, OK, and then check. Now the next step is to restore power plan settings to default. For this, again open control panel and then go to system and security, then power options, then change plan settings, advanced power settings, and over here you can see restore plan default. So click on it, click on yes and then click on OK. Now restart your computer and then check. Now the next step is to perform clean boot. For this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here first and then click on disable all. In my case, it's grayed out. I already did it. In your case, this will be highlighted. So put a check over here first, then click on disable all, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now restart your computer. You will see the restart option over there. So restart your computer and then check. Now the next step is to update your graphics card. Now if you have Intel card, go to Intel website. If you have Nvidia card, go to Nvidia. If you have AMD, go to AMD website. For Intel, go to this and then download this Intel driver and support assistant. Click on download now, run this exe file, and this will scan your computer. If there is any update, it will update it. You will see the update option or download option to install the drivers. Now, if you have an Nvidia card, select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card and select the right operating system. Then click on search and then click on download. And after the download, run the exe file and then install the driver and then restart your computer. For AMD users, go to AMD website, select your graphic card and then install your graphic driver. Then restart your computer and then check. Now the next step is to update your Windows. Make sure that your Windows is up to date. Now go to settings and then click on Windows Update or Update and Security and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, then restart your computer and then check. Now the next step is to enable USB wake support in system BIOS in many model numbers. If you go to your system BIOS, so find a way to go to your system BIOS. You can search in Google how to go to system BIOS for your particular model number. So as per your brand and as per your model number, there would be instruction how to go to system BIOS. So find a way to go to system BIOS, and over there, if you find USB wake support, make sure USB wake support is enabled in system BIOS. The last step is to update your system BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo website. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. So go to your system manufacturer website and then select your model number or select your model number. This is just an example. So go to HP, Lenovo, or whatever computer you have, go to your system manufacturer website and select your laptop or desktop and then select your model number, whichever model number you have. Select your model number and then from there you can go to drivers and downloads, and as per your model number, find system BIOS. And then this is just an example I'm showing for Dell. If you have HP computer, go to HP. If you have Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo. Find the system BIOS, download it, and then run the exe file to update your system BIOS. Now, whenever you update your BIOS, make sure the charger, in case of laptop, the charger, the AC adapter is connected to the computer, and the battery is more than 10% on your computer. And when it's updating BIOS, your system will restart. So do not unplug the power cable when it's updating the system BIOS. And after the BIOS update, log into your computer and then check. So one of the steps should help you to wake your computer from sleep mode. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.